everyone, my name is Rhonda Robson and welcome to my SheleeART channel. Today I'm going to be doing some more blooms. I've been doing them for a while, but I'm doing them for my wine glasses. So you can see the bottom there. I'm doing a bloom on top of a tile. Whoops. Did that in the last video too. Alright, so my pillow paint is Ultra White Sherwin-Williams Semi-Gloss. This color is the Metallic Blue by Artist Loft, and this next one is the Cobalt Blue, which is probably one of my favorites, but it's a metallic color as well by Artist Loft. Here is the Neon Green or the Fluorescent Green by Liquitex. And the next color I'm going to use is the Gold Interference, and those are the only colors I'm going to use here. And so then the next thing I'm going to use is my Cell Activator, my black one, for my number 3. So here what you do is you blow down and across the paint, and unfortunately my side camera was out of a battery, so I'm not going to be able to show you this, but you blow down and across, and that's the key, is that you want to blow down into the pillow paint and across it so that it pushes the paint back up, creating these cell effects. Okay, so every time you blow, you're going to want to find that darker color or where the black is the thickest and do that. Now what I'm doing is I'm allowing the paint to come back into the center so that it kind of creates those cells. These are the products that I use to seal my glass bottoms with, and both of them work great for hand wash. It's hot soapy water, there's nothing that takes the paint off of it, but the problem is that if you put it in the dishwasher, it will not work. It actually kind of disintegrates and flakes off. So please don't use these products in a dishwasher. I am still in the process of working through some new products that in different ways to be more effective and efficient through this process, but right now I haven't figured that out. Okay, so here I'm going to take my skewer and I'm going to make some curly cues through the darker area, kind of catching the color and bringing it in, right? That's what I did earlier. So I'm going to do that again. See, catching the color and bringing it into the dark. Let's do that again. So I'm just going to let you watch this and listen to the music and watch how I make my curly cues. All right, so are you ready to spin this out? All right, here we go. I think it's going to be pretty. I love these colors together. Oh, that one corner's a little too white, but that's okay. Look at that, though. That is so pretty. Look at the web effect in the cells, how they kind of created. All right, well, let's do some curlies through that white. I really like it. What do you think? I really like that. All right, there you go. I love it. All right, here's the end results. And this is the dried on the tile. And I take the tile and I cut off the skin and I put them on the bottom. Doesn't that look great? I love it. All right, well, I'll put a link here for how I actually adhere the skins to my glasses for you. Thanks for joining. Bye for now.
Thanks for joining me today, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. And if you like this video, I bet you're gonna like these as well. Thanks a lot and have a great day. Bye! Bye!